Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I will be taking you through the Kucoin website. Kucoin aims to always offer very low fees both for trading and withdrawals, making it affordable to use this exchange. Kucoin bonus upgrade. So as you see, you can see the markets. You can see the coins, the last price, change, amounts, 24-hour, volume, 24-hour, and trading. App download. User-friendly tools for trading, easy to interface for viewing the transaction history and all details of your account, real-time crypto portfolio monitoring and market tracking. You can click this blue button to free download or this white button to sign up. You can see the updates, the promotions, announcements, and the change logs. We have users worldwide. We support multiple languages and are adding more soon. As you see, these blue little dots means they are on the website. There are many people on Kucoin. Follow the Kucoin community. You can follow them on Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, and more. Trade cryptocurrency on the go. We've created the mobile app you need for trading on the go. You can download it on the App Store or the Google Play. This is a photo to learn more. So I'm going to end the video right here. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and don't forget to go to the Kucoin's website to find more information about Bitcoin. Thanks for watching and listening.